Hi, Michelleoddo here with the Oddo Group at Leader One Financial, and I get this question all the time. What is a salaried loan officer versus a commissioned loan officer? Does it make a difference? Should I use a salaried loan officer? And the answer is it's not a good option. And the reason being is it is marketed, and I hear commercials for it all the time, as though it's going to save you as the consumer money because the salaried loan officer is not trying to push you into a loan or isn't necessarily worried about getting paid based on your loan closing. Well, the flip side to that and why it's not a good idea is they don't care if your loan closes. They're going to get paid no matter what. That's never good. The other issue is the companies that hire these salaried loan officers, they don't charge less. Their rates aren't less. Their fees aren't less because we look at those deals all the time and we look at our competitors' other estimates so that we can either make sure we're in the market or that we're beating them. They are not charging less money for those loans. They are not giving better rates for those loans. They are simply keeping more money, paying their employee less money. And what happens when you pay your loan officer much less than the market income? You get an inexperienced loan officer. So I don't know if you want to be anybody's guinea pig, but you certainly don't want to be your loan officer's guinea pig with your loan where they're learning and training on your loan. So what happens with these salaried loan officers many times is that's a training ground for them. They learn how to, be a great loan officer over time, over many, many mistakes, many mishaps, and then they leave that training ground and they go to another reputable company that will pay a fair wage for what they're doing, and they then are going to do a great job on your loan because they have the experience. Nobody wants to go to a dentist or a doctor who has no experience. And I can tell you, lending is the same. There are lots of curves, lots of little hiccups that if you are not with somebody who knows what they're doing on day one, I'm sure you've heard the horror stories, all of a sudden halfway through the loan and now they have a problem, or now they need more things, and now the loan doesn't work, and things like that. So that is the downside to using a salaried loan officer. You don't get a better deal. The company makes more money and you actually have a worse experience. Not highly recommended in any way, shape, or form by other consumers who've been through it, by realtors, or by us, because we see these deals halfway through the process fall out, fall apart, have problems, and then they call us and ask us to help them fix their loan and still try to close on time. So go with the proven entity, go with the people that have lots of experience, that know what they're doing, that have been around a long time and can have the track record, and will make sure that you're taken care of and it's a painless experience with also still a competitive great rate. So give the Oddo Group here at Leader One Financial a call. We'd love to help you. We'd love to be your advocate and your experience in your corner to help you get your loan closed smooth and pain-free. Give us a call.